what's up guys? It's me, the Techie Gamer, and...
me!
Chica! Welcome back to some more new Super Mario Brothers Wii! And sadly, I forgot, there's no saving. So I have to play this level over again. Let's see. Yeah, 3-4 over again. Come on, you gotta get a Pinguini suit. Okay, let's untoss it, Jacob. Come on, we have to play. Here, I'll carry you. I'll get you a penguin suit. Don't jump, okay? Oh no, I'm gonna murder you. Just kidding.
What the heck was that?
Okay. There you go. Now come over here.
Let me bubble myself.
You need to stop that.
Well, stop.
You're always bubble. The bubble, the Bubble Pause is an emergency move. We're off to an awesome start, guys. But that's okay, because we'll continue. And we'll keep trying. Let me get you a Pinguini.
No, both of them. I get this.
How about you get the murder? Just kidding. Okay.
Please stop that.
Okay.
Thanks.
Crouch! Oh my gosh.
Just hit me!
Boobity Pause gets you nothing. Come on. I would per se to save the day. Hey, I pwned him.
You almost served my...
Okay, come over here. Okay, never mind.
This is a tricky level. Thomas, get...
I don't want. Okay.
Wow.
Oh no.
Where's your bubble?
Okay, pop me.
Jump on my...
Hey!
Thomas, give me it, please.
Okay, I don't like this area. Boobly Pause! Okay, never mind, you made it. Okay, I need to get in the middle of this. Pause, you can crouch, crouch, crouch! Okay.
Wow, I'm next to your butt.
Crouch! Stay crouched! Oh god!
You're at the edge! Thank you. Thank you.
How come that didn't count as Jocko?
Whoa! I got
Borrow. Okay. Wait, look.
Whoa!
Okay, this is dangerous. So.
Ew! I pressed A!
Yeah, Jigga can crush you. Those things. Dang it. I completely forgot.
Derpy derp.
Derp derp derpity derp. Alright, we're gonna try one more time, guys. Not one more time, we're gonna keep trying. We can win this level. Alright, I'm gonna pick Jacob up because he's not playing. And I'm gonna take
That's nice. And it's gone. We both died.
and we died again.
How nice.
Alright guys, I'm gonna come back to the point where we died. See you there. Hey guys, we're back here. I wanna make the screen bigger. On PS2. I don't know. I know what you're talking about, bro. We're in the middle of a video. No. Okay. Oh, boobly pause. Boobly pause. No, I'm kidding. Oh, I'm dead. Land on it, Jacob. Thank God for Thank Miyamoto for boobly pause. Okay, I'm gonna pick you. That is why you don't let go.
Thank God I pressed the wait. What the heck? Why is it red?
Alright guys, awesome stuff.
What the heck is with the red?
That means it's a secret exit. Red means it's a secret exit. So now we can go right. Let's go!
I don't know what the red switch is.
It puts red switches in levels. Okay, oh!
Oh, I want to get that!
Oh, it's too late. Wait a minute. Well, you don't really need it. This is a new item that was used in Mario 3D Land, if you guys remember from the playthrough. Except in Mario 3D Land, you wear it. It came from this game. This is the propeller brick. Basically, if you don't have a propeller suit like me, basically this works. Oh, here. Oh, please.
Wow, that's nice.
Here, I'll hold you. I'll also use you as a suicidal device. Oh, I didn't mean it like that. There, when I said suicidal device, I was joking. Sorry. I was gonna try to throw you into the star coin. Well, now we're all out of propeller mushrooms.
Let's just use that.
Use a mushroom. Let's go do the house.
Yeah,
Let's go.
So I can get.
Let's go.
So I can get some more items.
Alright.
And
Alright.
I'm first.
Oh, you probably are first. Oh no, I was first. Okay. Peronia. Okay, we got another penguin suit.
I hope I don't get.
Oh no!
Please don't get something.
Real Mangalo! Come on. Okay, let's see. We don't have an ice flower. Oh, now we got 2 penguin suits. Okay. I'm so nervous right now. Okay, I'm going for the oddball. Oh! That means...
I should have got the middle!
Oh, wow. We would have won the whole game.
I think we would have got one up. I said the bottom.
Okay, so now we got like a whole bunch of items. We got another propeller shroom. Got 3 of these. 3 of
Let's
these.
use those.
We got every item in the game now.
Wait, can we use the,
What?
you know...
The mini shrooms?
No, the...
Propeller? What's that?
No!
Here, I'll take this one. You can take the other one.
Oh, that's
Wait, hit that block over there. Okay, never mind. I want to see what's in these. Oh! Bubble! Wait, no. Try to... Oh.
That's nice!
Here, you take the propeller brick. I'll try to... Hey! I'll try to find a safe point, and I'll give it to you.
Oh,
I'll kick that off. I'm gonna find a point where it's safe to give you this, okay? Hey! Alright, let's see. Don't come at me, bro.
What the heck is wrong with those coins?
They're dancing. Oh, I dropped it. Stupid remote. Okay. Psychedelic dancing coins, and I ran into that fire. Guys, remember the psychedelic platform? Psychedelic coins! Caution, watch your dubstep. Okay, Jacob, careful. Here, let me throw you.
Wonderful, we're going down.
No, we're not. This is the end.
Who cares? Who cares?
Oh, yeah!
I hate the star coins in this because they're
Alright, guys.
hard. Good, now I get some red bricks.
Alright, guys. Now we're gonna hit this. And if you notice that block's activated, and now the level is different. Wait, so we can do this and the level's been beaten. Or we can do this. And we'll be taking on this level next time. I'll see you guys then.
Bye!